Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Monday, 7th day of April 2025. Uromi Vigilantes protest seizure of 2,000 guns by Edo police after lynching of 16 northern hunters, according to Sahara reporters. Now, I took time to watch the video of the Uromi Vigilante groups. You know that after the incident in Uromi happened, they collected guns from all the whole Vigilante group. That was not normal. The Vigilante did not kill those people they killed. The Vigilante only raised them that these people are carrying ransom, they are carrying guns. That was all they did, and that is the normal work the Vigilante is supposed to do. Now, they collected guns from them. I love the fact that the Vigilantes need their guns back, okay? Because the threat of reprisal attack is very valid. It is still current. Remember what happened in Ebonyi State, where the military, the police, and deputy governor came to tell them that, oh, every other thing is okay, we have settled the issue, forget about reprisal attack. Everybody were going to their normal way on Sunday before the Fulani came. They burned almost 32 houses, they killed up to 36 persons. That is the same thing that is going to happen in Uromi. Don't let anybody to tell you we have settled the issue. All these Fulanis, they will still carry out the reprisal attack. Save this video, you will remember that I told you. So taking the guns from the Vigilante group is not normal. Anyway, take a look at when the Vigilantes were protesting.
So I just wanted to go straight, sir, because yesterday you were on the street yesterday.
Yes,
so
yes,
today
yes.
Now, we saw that, is it that you are here to work, or you said until they answer you?
We are here until they answer us. Because we don't suffer for this work. Person like me, I'm 21 years in vigilante. Now, if you check this my hand, more than 15 bullets, they inside this my hand today. So, our divisional will be working with our police right for our divisional GPO. We work it on the station, any area we receive any call, we move to make sure so there's peace. When there's problem in Upper Sakmumba, that our DPO pull out, the call of us, we bring our house to support it, to assist the DPO to make sure so there's peace at Upper Sakmumba. Now we don't collect our hands. Anytime DPO call, not to assist, many things have been happening around the environment, around those states. So that is why we the vigilante, we have been trained. They train us how to shoot, how to drive, how to do many things. After our training, they give us our certificate. So when CP Party come, he said he want to repair Edo State. We respect him as a good citizen of Edo State. We use our hand, carry our hand, go give her. After we don't give her, he come out for EBS. Man at that time say, is it easy to collect 2,000 something gold from boys to recover? That's we are tired. We don't know what we are doing. That's why we the vigilante of Edo State will come out to beg our governor to come to our aid, to come and rescue us. But the hand of our enemy, as we are saying now, many escape people we don't arrest. Before put for this thing, many of them don't come out. Our life is no longer safe. So we need our gun back.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Now, after watching this video, the first thing that came to my mind is, why would they even submit their guns? Let me tell you, in Nigeria, the Nigeria I know today, there is no household you will go. If you pass one household without gun, the next household, they will be gone. People are even going into manufacturing of gun, because nobody want to live your life for little children who are just terrorists to waste your life. You have a right to live, okay? Now that the vigilantes, they have willingly submitted their guns, if the commissioner of police did not give you people the gun, you go and buy another gun. Because when the D-Day will come, all of you will be vulnerable. This is a coordinated, for me, it's a very good coordinated approach to make sure that you people will be vulnerable. When the reprisal attack happen, they will still come and tell you people sorry. Don't let it to happen. Just imagine. Why would you take guns from vigilante group? Do they kill? They did not kill anybody. So what is the essence of taking guns from them? They have been working with the police before. They have been securing their places and so on and so forth. So right from time, we have been seeing videos from Edo State, from Uromi, where Vigilante group, we capture Fulani terrorists, they will hand it over to police before, and some of the Fulanis boast, that even though you carry them to the AIG, you carry them to the defense headquarters, they will still go and come back. These are how the terrorists are boasting. It's so unfortunate. Anyway, and this is how Shara reporters publish it that Vigilanté in Uromi, Edo State, have taken to the streets to protest against the collection of their weapon by the State Commissioner of Police for 2 consecutive days. Vigilante groups are protesting. This is a very shameful thing, and it is wrong of the Commissioner of Police to do this. Very, very wrong. The Edo State Governor Okpebondo shouldn't have allowed the Commissioner of Police to take the guns from the vigilantes, because the vigilante group is supposed to be under the governor, not under the federal government. If the governor did not support it as the chief security officer of the state, the police don't have the order to ask the vigilante group to bring it, because the law that establishes the vigilante group is within the state, not federal. So I don't know the game they are playing there. You see, this is coming in the wake of the herdsmen crisis. Understand this statement. This is coming in the wake of herdsmen crisis. This thing did not happen in Edo State the first time. It happened in Southern Kaduna at the time. There was a time vigilante group there, they collected gun from them. What we saw again was attack, ran upon them, upon their villages. So the Edo vigilante group should be very, very careful. We are here until they answer us. I have been a vigilante for 21 years. You all listen to what the vigilante, man said there. So people should understand where we are in Nigeria. I said this time without number, and I am not ignorant of what I'm saying. The government in Nigeria, they are colluding with all these Fulani terrorists. I can say it 21 times a day, and I know what I'm saying. So this is not the reason I'm saying it. Collecting guns from vigilante is not the only reason why I said so. Right from time you have been following me, I bring even video evidence for you to see that what is going on in Nigeria today, the hands of the federal government is on it. If the hands of the federal government is not on it, tell me, why would that be happening? Why would the killings, the beheading of soldiers, the ransacking of the communities, why should it be happening and no one is talking? So this is what we are seeing. And I'm telling you for free that this vigilante group, if they did not give you this gun, go and buy another one. Buy another one. If you want to register. But for me, the police should give back their guns to them. Is it not all those shoot and run? What are they going to do with it? They didn't kill, they didn't do all those things. Nigeria don't have a good justice system. Since the vigilante group has certificate, they have license to bear weapon, they ought to go to court. The court will mandate the police to bring the guns back. But we are living in a lawless country where the judiciary are pocketed. You are going to court. Who are you going to sue? You see where the problem in Nigeria is too long. It's very, very long.
Many of us from the north are famed for cattle keeping. And when you are driving the cattle through different grazing grounds, the cattle believe that you love them so much because you protect them from the elements, because you protect them from other wild animals. But if the cattle were to know that you are the one who would end up eating them, they would treat you very differently. Invariably, they do not know. And therefore, you will continue controlling them the way you do, and you will continue eating them the way you do. But it's a totally different case when you are leading human beings. They are not like cattle. You may lead them in a particular direction. You may think that you have lulled them into a false sense of security. You may think that you have deadened their minds. But always remember that one day, if you don't do that which is good and right for your fellow men, there is a day of reckoning. There is a day of reckoning, and history has demonstrated that it can come in the twinkling of an eye. History has demonstrated that kings have been toppled. History has demonstrated that presidents have been removed. History has demonstrated that great men have been cut down. History has demonstrated that men can rise when they are misled. History has demonstrated that men are indeed capable of rising up. You know, I always read these words of the American Declaration of Independence Because I love them. They apply to humanity. Before America became what it is, they are the enlightened men. We hold this truth to be self-evident, that all men are born equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable right, that among those are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And it is for this reason that governments are instituted amongst men, and that when those governments fail to perform, it is the duty of those people to rise up and to remove such governments.